Hey there, Rogers Motor Cars here. We have got a 1993 Ford Bronco Eddie Bauer edition. This truck has the 5.8 liter 351 Windsor and 135,000 miles. Got this from a client of ours. His father bought it brand new. So it's a one family owned Bronco. It has been repainted. The brown King Ranch stripe at the bottom was added. They repainted it black. It was originally black. Originally it had a mocha brown top, but they painted that black. It's a nice Bronco. 35-inch tires. They're 35 by 13 and a half by 15. Nice picky tops of wheels. All nice new suspension, Fox suspension, BDS, 6-inch BDS lift. It's got a Flowmaster 40 series muffler on it. Bumpers are nice, they're not dented up or anything. No dents or scratches on this. It's got new carpet. Open this up. Tailgate is nice, it was repainted as well. The rear window does work. Works with the key. Also works with the button, the switch in the front. So look inside. Door panels are nice and clean. So pop this up here. Back seat. It's got some indentations from being folded onto that seat belt. That'll come back. The speakers have been replaced. There's Dynamat in these door panels, Dynamat on the floors. When they redid the carpet, they put that in. No lights on in the dash. Aftermarket radio. There's a plug in the console you can pull out, charge your phone, and play music. It's also Bluetooth. Got two keys, all the original keys, two key fobs. Got all the original owner's manuals, and we also have the original window sticker with all the options and everything. It's in mint condition. The transmission was rebuilt about 500 miles ago. We have an invoice for that. Runs great. It's been well maintained. Okay, you can see more pictures and all the other information on our website. That's rogersmotorcars.com. You can call us, text us, very quick to respond.